ThinkPad docking stations not powering on. First, visually inspect the power adapter's plug, cable, and dock ports for damage, like bent pins or burn marks. Then, test the adapter by plugging it into a different outlet to confirm it's receiving power. Faulty AC adapters or damaged cables are the most common culprits. Use only Lenovo certified adapters, 19-volt or 20-volt DC and USB-C cables supporting at least 100 watts power delivery PD. Swap the cable with a known good one to isolate the problem. Remember to always connect the power adapter to the dock first, then to the laptop to avoid triggering safety modes. If your adapter is one of the models from the voluntary recall, 4X20M26279 and 4X20M26280, check Lenovo's website for a free replacement. If the adapter and cables seem fine, try a reset. For Thunderbolt docks, disconnect all cables and hold the reset button, usually a pinhole, for 30 seconds, then reconnect. For older docks, unplug the dock for 1 minute for a full power cycle. Next, use Lenovo Vantage to update the dock's firmware. Outdated firmware can cause power failures. If problems persist, run Lenovo's hardware scan tool or contact support for warranty claims. To prevent future issues, always use OEM cables, as advised by experts. User education on power basics is key to minimizing dock power problems. New ThinkPad hybrid docks offer wireless charging for certain models, reducing cable-related failures.